My video guide will help you to remove the browser scam that is associated with the website Erases.live. Erases.live is a new malicious website which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website Erases.live tries to scare people into thinking that their computer is infected, and then this pop-up tries to make them click on this proceed button. If they do that, they will be redirected to some other deceptive sites, and eventually their computer may be infected with certain potentially unwanted applications. So please be very careful. If you see these pop-ups by the site Erases.live, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. To fix the issue, access the menu, go to Settings. You might need to research the list of the websites that are showing unwanted ads in the form of push notifications. Sometimes these pop-ups by Erases.live are the result of such push notifications. So go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings and scroll down to Notifications. Carefully remove the sites that are not decent. And finally, we recommend that you also research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.